Run far away? Like where?
If I ask someone I know, we can go somewhere the Bureau will never find you. If it's there. Maybe not right now, but someday we'll be able to go to school together.
Why all of a sudden?
Because I like you, Denji. Why are you so bothered by that? Do you not like me?
No, I do like you, but recently I've been acknowledged at work, and I can move around without being monitored now too. I'm gradually learning how to handle my buddy's shitty personality, and I'm finally starting to get along a bit better with the guy who was always such a jerk. I found something sort of like a goal in the job, and it's starting to get more and more enjoyable now.
I see. I get it. Denji, you have another person you like besides me, right?
Huh? Huh?
It hurts, right? I'm sorry. Hey, I'm gonna take your heart, okay?
Run, 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 run! Shit, 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 shit! Why didn't I notice the smell? Beam! She's bad news, Master Chainsaw! That smell! She's bomb!
Boom. Thief.
Master Chainsaw!
Are you also a member of the Fourth? If you leave Denji there and run away, I'll let you go. I see.
Damn it, and here I wanted to go to the festival.
Whoa, looks like it killed something.
We found a devil near the festival grounds, gauging at 1834.
Private devil hunters, I suppose.
Whoa, it talked.
This one's pretty strong.
Huh?
He sure ran away fast.
Thank you for your guidance.
Thank you.
Aki! Sorry for dragging you all the way out here.
I can't turn down a request from you now, Mo.
Oh, you don't say. Then come back to us in the second. The stories about that special division all reek of some bloody shit. If things go according to plan, I'll be the second in command in 5 years. Once that happens, I'll seriously come knocking on your door.
Thank you.
Hey, why didn't you tell them you'd already be dead in 5 years?
Who'd you hear that from?
Power.
That piece of shit. You don't go telling anyone either.
So lucky. I want to die soon too. Because as long as you're alive, you have to keep putting in effort. Once you die, you don't have to try anymore.
Aki! Come down, right now! He was at the entrance moaning that he was part of the special division.
Yes, he is.
Coming. Bomb. Gun Devil's partner.
Why do you know that? Answer me.
If I tell Guild. Promised. Miss Makima.
Makima?
Coming! Coming! Bomb coming!
Hey, pretty lady. Sorry, but don't come any closer than that. This is the Anti-Devil 2nd Division's training facility. Civilians aren't allowed to enter.
Sorry.
Reze.
Reze?
Please help me! A devil is after me!
Oh. That's an awfully big smile for someone being attacked by a devil.
Momo.
Yeah. Take him and get back. Contact headquarters and the second in command. And... have you seen that chick somewhere before?
This isn't the time for you to be hitting on girls.
No, I'm serious. Can't be. There's no way.
Looks like it might not work. Yeah, it's not working. Well, can't be helped, I guess. Guess it's time for a good old massacre.
Kato, Tanabe. If you kill her, tab's on me tonight. Treat her like you would a devil. Don't think of her as human.
Sorry, I'll leave the rest to you.
You owe me one.
Blood?
There's mold growing in her heart and intestines.
She coughed up some blood. Looks like it worked.
Even if she drinks some blood to regenerate, the mold won't go away. Now it's just about stalling her out. Ah! Suicide.
Can you grow some mold on her brain?
It only works on things that are living.
Huh?
Devil! It's a devil!
It went to the right. Don't let it get close to Aki.
No, 12 o'clock.
There it is. There's the devil. Guns! Ando Masaki, requesting permission to fire.
Granted.
Was permission required to fire a gun in Japan?
Con!
You're quite stunning.
That outfit sure is easy on the eyes.
Cone.
Lieutenant.
Sorry for cutting in. I was just in the nick of time. Well, maybe not from the looks of it.
Ugh, this taste. I hate this taste. I'm leaving.
Huh? And I was supposed to go to a mixer tonight.
Take me along with you, okay?
I'll drive. You two make him drink some blood.
Guess it can't be helped. Can't start the car?
Damn it. Showing me such a bad future whenever you damn please. Monster.
I killed them to provide a demonstration of my strength. But if possible, I'd rather not kill people. Drop Denji out of the car and leave. The car's totally gonna get burned because of the gasoline. This is such a pain in the ass, but...
I called in for support with the special division, but thanks.
No way! That was a serious kick just now.
That kick wasn't bad. Shall we dance?
Change of plans. She's way stronger than us. Strategic retreat.
My hip gave out. My hip. I'm sorry. I'm going to quit, so please don't kill me.
Here she comes! Hey. Chainsaw Boy's awake again, but Bomb Girl's already riding our tail.
Damn it. What the hell is going on? The car's radio is fucked. Worst comes to worst, I'll run the car into her. We can't give her Denji.
What?
What's that?
I'm cutting the top of the car.
What? Quit it, Denji. You haven't had enough blood yet.
It really hurts and it feels like I'm gonna die, but I stretch my screwed up brain. And thinking back on it real carefully, of all the women I know, every single one of them has tried to kill me. Everyone's got a hard-on for the chainsaw's heart. What about Denji's heart, huh?
I wasn't lying when I said that I liked you, Denji.
Huh? Really?
Don't listen to the enemy. You're way too gullible.
Oops, that was close. I was about to fall for it there. I don't know why you want to kill me, but it doesn't really matter to me. I've got Makima.
Makima. So that witch has got you on a leash, Denji. Then it would have been meaningless even if we had run away together.
I should have never kissed you. I don't need any more people dying on me because of my conscience. Capture! I'm gonna capture you!
Bring it, Denji. I'll teach you how we fight.
Yeah, please, do! Whoa!
Benji, you haven't applied your power at all. It's not enough to just whirl your chainsaws around. You need to better understand your own power.
Huh?
Regeneration. You revved your engine before I kicked you, huh?
Monster.
If I mess up even in the slightest, you can cause the future. That's just a few seconds, and there's no telling whether my body can even react to what I see. Perfect judgment. Perfect judgment. Perfect judgment!
That was close. Sorry for being late.
I've never been so glad to see a devil.
Whoa, time out! I'm running low on blood and I'm basically naked. And there are two of you. That's not fair.
That's true.
Shall we give her some kind of handicap?
Nope.
There you have it. Sorry.
Time out over.
Miss Rising, Typhoon takes the stage!
That is not fair.
It's okay, because you're going to go to heaven. I'll take your blood. Sorry.
A normal devil would have died from that. That's Mustard Chainsaw for you. Super cool.
Your girlfriend's killing too many people. And at this rate, even more will die if you leave her be. So you need to choose, Chainsaw Kiddo. Either stop fighting and let her kill you to minimize the suffering, or kill her.
That's a pretty easy choice you're giving me. Reze's so fucking crazy strong, though.
Shock Boy, seems like you know a lot about the Chainsaw Devil. You don't want to die today. You should talk about whatever you can talk about.
Master Chainsaw. Master Chainsaw. It's super fast. But when it moved, it wasn't just its legs. It used the chainsaw's chain to move. It launched the chain and hooked it to a building to move between buildings.
Oh, yeah, that samurai sword guy moved with his EI. And Ray's moved using explosions, too. Damn, I should be applying my power, too!
Genius! Master Chainsaw! Genius!
Moving using the chain. Like that, huh? Alright, I got it.
Like that! Like that!
Alright then, let's do this. Beam, go to shark form.
Yes, sir!
Like this. I'll use the chain like Ray, and you'll be like a horse, Beam.
Wait, like that? Are you sure it wasn't something else? Something like extend a chain from your arm and hook it onto a building?
Huh? Nah, this is right, isn't it, Beam?
Right!
Alright. Charge, Beam.
Denji?
What's that?
So you've come, Chainsaw.
Benji, I'm gonna make you regret reviving!
Beam, don't make me regret this.
Yes, sir!
Grab onto something.
It's a battle of monsters. There's nothing we can do but sit tight and watch.
I can't land a hit at all.
You're like a cockroach.
Sick and tired of explosions!
Chainsaw!
Ow!
Damn it, now I've gone and sliced a hot girl's leg off.
Lady Rising, take my blood.
Ah, ooh, that's better.
Whoa!
Grab onto something.
No, I can't! It's fine. Just let me go already. If I'm going to die, then that's fine. Today was just my time to die. It's fine. I've always been ready to die. Here's my hand! Do you want to die?
Of course I don't want to fucking die. How much life did I lose just now?
About 2 months.
If you want to die, then go someplace far away from me to do it, please. I've had enough of watching people die in front of my eyes.
This is nice and easy for me. All I've got to do is just spin the chainsaw like an idiot.
Get away!
Where's Ray?
Master Chainsaw!
Ow! Ow! You saved me there, Beam.
Denji, don't you think it's about time you give up?
Nah, don't wanna. Ow!
Come on, this is a pain in the ass, so won't you just die already, please?
If that's how you feel, then you should have just killed me back when we first met.
Don't have anywhere left to run.
Oh, I don't know about that. You never should have taught me how to swim.
Huh? You wanna swim? Chain? What?
Can you still explode when you're soggy?
I don't believe it. Why did you revive me?
Living my best life. No matter how often or how badly I get fucked up or die, I call it even if I get to eat something delicious the next day. But if I catch you here and hand you over to the Bureau, it feels like something just wouldn't be right about that. Like a fishbone caught in my throat. I'm living my best life, but that feeling in the back of my throat constantly poking at me would just be the worst.
Would you still be able to say that if I kill you right now?
My motto always was, if I'm gonna die, at least let it be at the hands of a beautiful woman.
Are you, by any chance, still under the illusion that I seriously like you? Ever since I met you, my expression and my cheeks blushing and everything, all of it was a lie, just a result of the training I've had. I screwed up. The fight with you took too much time, so I'm gonna run away.
Wanna run away together?
Huh?
I can fight too, so it'll increase the odds of us getting away.
I've killed a lot of people, you know. You do realize that by letting me go would mean aiding and abetting a murderer, right?
I probably shouldn't say it can't be helped, but I really can't help it. I still like you after all. You said it was all a lie, but you really did teach me how to swim, right? Ah!
You should really wisen up a bit.
Hey Reze, today at noon, I'll be waiting at that cafe.
I too like the country mouse. I have a friend who owns a field out in the country. I go there to help every fall. There are mice that hide in the soil and destroy the crops. You have to remove them before they hide in the dirt. So we dig underground so that the dogs can catch the mice and... oh my. Watching it gives me such a peace of mind. That's why I like the country mouse.
Why didn't I kill you when we first met? Denji, the truth is, I've never been to school before either.
I told you to bring Aki with you. How considerate of you. I suppose he wouldn't have wanted to kill a woman.
Well, I am an angel after all. Hey, so is the city a nice place?
Denji, We're closing now. Look, that girl was really cute, and the world was so much brighter with her around. But a girl who's just perfect for you will appear eventually.
Power! I have now returned, and upon chasing Denji's scent, I ended up at this tiny shop. What? Are those flowers? I think they suit me. Gimme. Ah! Don't eat them! They're mine, thief!